Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer, and right now we're going to take a look at these second-gen beans that were produced from these initial bean vines earlier in the year. Okay, so I planted these late last year in 2021, around October, I think. Somewhere around there, I don't even remember. It's in my video feed if you want to research that date. But we tried to grow them through the winter. We were unsuccessful because the weather got too cool for them. But when they died back, they produced a bunch of seeds, a bunch of beans, right? You're supposed to eat the beans. Well, I took those beans and just kept them and pulled the seeds out of them and stuck those seeds in the ground a few days ago, and here you have a major sprouting event, germination event from those second-gen seeds that were produced right here at this location. Now each year going forward, I want to take toward the end of the growing season and allow a few of the beans to mature, so that way I can continue producing beans that are more adapted to this location than the ones that are bought at the store. Anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because I'm going to update you on the progress of these beans. Have a good day.